Ducati has officially revealed the Panigale V4 Marquez Edition, a striking limited-run superbike inspired directly by its MotoGP machinery. Based on the 2025 V4S, this special edition combines race-bred technology with road-legal performance, wrapped in an unmistakable Marc Marquez replica livery. Only 293 units of the V4 Marquez Edition will be produced, underlining its exclusivity. Visually, the bike closely mirrors Ducati's MotoGP racer, featuring bold graphics and aerodynamic elements that highlight its racing pedigree. One of the standout features is Ducati's corner side pods. These side-mounted wings improve ground effect and stability at high lean angles, enhancing cornering performance on both road and track. Braking performance is equally uncompromising. The Marquez Edition is fitted with Ducati's Front Brake Pro Plus system, homologated for road use and designed for extreme performance. It features twin 338.5mm Brembo T-Drive finned discs, paired with Brembo GP4 Sport production calipers, delivering exceptional stopping power and consistency. At the heart of the bike is Ducati's 1103cc V4 engine. While the standard V4S produces 216 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 122.1 Newton-meters at 11,250 RPM, the Marquez Edition benefits from a dedicated engine calibration and an Akrapovic silencer, boosting output to 218.5 horsepower at the same peak revs. The exhaust system also contributes to a 2.5 kilogram weight reduction compared to the V4S. Further weight savings come from 5-spoke carbon fiber wheels, which shave 0.95 kilograms over the forged wheels of the standard model. As a result, the Marquez Edition tips the scales at just 186.5 kilograms wet without fuel. This special edition comes generously equipped as standard. Owners receive a dry clutch kit, adjustable billet aluminum foot pegs, and a GPS module. For track-focused use, Ducati also supplies a billet aluminum racing fuel tank cap, brake caliper shrouds, an open carbon fiber clutch cover, and a license plate holder removal kit. Suspension remains top-tier, matching the V4S with fully adjustable Öhlins NPX30 pressurized 43mm forks at the front and an Öhlins TTX36 rear shock, ensuring precision handling and adaptability for both road and circuit riding. Adding a final personal touch, the fuel tank of each bike is signed by Marc Marquez himself, making this motorcycle not just a high-performance machine, but a genuine collector's piece.